This is for Year 11 Methods. It's 4.3 number 9, the Floral Clock. Okay, the Floral Clock has a radius of 3 meters and a center of 3, 3. So this is where my clock's going to sit. Center, and the question's asking when the time is 10 past 2, what is the equation of the minute hand? So it's a straight line, and it's this straight line because at 10 past 2 the minute hand will be pointing towards the 2. So in essence we're looking for the equation of that straight line. We have a number of methods from chapter 1 to work out equations of straight lines. I know one point on the line is 3, 3 because that's the centre of the circle. But I don't know another point. However, because it's 10 past 2, I know some information about angles. And this information is such. If it was o'clock, it would be at 12. If it was a quarter past, it would be at 3. But at 10 past, it's at 2, pointing towards 2. I'm interested in the size of that angle. 12 hours in one clock, 360 degrees in a full circle. 360 divided by 12 is 30. So each hour has 30 degrees. So if I was to divide my circle into 12 parts, that's 30 degrees, that's 30 degrees, that's 30 degrees. So in actual fact I now know what this angle is. I'm interested in the angle because back in chapter 1, straight lines, the gradient m equals rise over run equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or equals the tan of theta, where theta is the angle made with the x-axis measured anti-clockwise that the line makes. So if I go back up to my circle, this is theta that I'm interested in, and because of corresponding angles, that's the same size as that angle, which is the same size as that angle. So in this particular case, theta is 30 degrees. So for this question, 9a, at 2:10, I know that it goes through the point 3, 3, and I know that that angle there is 30 degrees. I can work out its equation because of y equals mx plus c, or I have other rules like y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And in this particular case, x1, y1 are 3 and 3, so y minus 3 equals m x minus 3. I need to find m. M is going to equal the tan of the angle theta equals the tan of 30 degrees equals, on my calculator, turn it on, go to main, go to keyboard, math, tan, 30, make sure down here I'm in degrees, execute. Root 3 on 3 is the tan of 30 degrees. Therefore, y minus 3 equals root 3 on 3x minus 3. Y minus 3 equals root 3 on 3x minus 3 root 3 on 3. The 3's cancel. Y equals root 3 on 3x minus root 3 plus 3. And that's the equation of the minute hand when the time is 10 past 2. In part B, it's at 3:25. 3:25, I need to consider where is the minute hand at 3:25, and it's going to be there pointing to the 5. I know that that's going to be 30 degrees in there. So looking at my minute hand pointing at 3:25.
Sorry, big pain. Do you have a whiteboard marker? Okay.
So angle which is measured this way will be 90 plus 30, 120 degrees. So I know that the gradient will be tan of 120 degrees, which, using my calculator, I want the tan of 120, and making sure I'm in degrees, I get negative root 3. Therefore, y minus 3 equals negative root 3 x minus 3. Y will equal minus root 3x plus 3 root 3 plus 3 is the equation of the minute hand at 3:25.